Good morning, how are you?
Oh, well, nurse, I'm really anxious about my daughter. Her name is Jenny, and she has been admitted to the hospital in the morning because of some fits, I guess. That's what doctor was saying, and I'm really scared about her.
I understand. Please calm down.
Well, nurse, how could I calm down? Doctor told me that she has been brought up from the hospital, from the school, immediately to the hospital, and it was through the ambulance. So it is really a matter of concern, I guess.
I can understand your condition, that what you are feeling right now, but let me explain you what is the fates, what are the fates.
Oh yes, nurse. I really want to know about this problem because I'm really getting cautious, and it's she's just the only daughter of mine, and I'm really concerned about her.
I am empathy with you. The fits are the in the medical termination. The fits we call as the epilepsy. It's just a disruption of the electrochemical brain activity.
Brain is it the involvement of brain in it? Like it is making me more scared, nurse,
Don't
because brain diseases are not easy to cure, I guess.
don't scare too much. Firstly, listen the symptoms. What are the symptoms that you can find in the epilepsy patient? And there are the muscle jerking movements, like muscle stiffness may be there, and the urine incontinence. The patient can't pass urine regularly.
Well, nurse, it's really scaring me. That is really a complex disease. What should we do, and what are the things that I need to do for her? Just let me know about those things.
Don't get worried too much.
Well, why shouldn't I worry? It's just a complex activity of the brain, and she wouldn't be able to, pass her urine. So that is really making me scared. It appears like a very dangerous disease.
It's not a dangerous disease. It can be curable with the help of medical medications. We can
Okay.
easily correct it with the use of medical medications.
All right, nurse. But could you please tell me what should I do if something like this happens again at the house? Because I'm really not aware of this problem. In my family, I have never seen anybody suffering from this. So could you please guide me?
Yeah, sure, I will guide you. Let me tell you, if this could occurs at the home, that you can lie that your daughter on one side.
All right.
Sideline position should be given to the patient in the epilepsy, and remove all the harmful objects that are near to the patient. You must be removed from away from the patient.
All right.
No object should be near the mouth, and check the breathing pattern regularly.
All right, nurse. I will surely do that. And apart from them, what are the things? Do you think my daughter needs to take special precautions about these things? Like, does she need to avoid any kind of driving? Like, because do you think this can happen at any time?
Yeah, it can happen at any time. So the precautions must be taken, and there are some things that could be retained in your mind while.
Well, nurse, how would I judge like whether this is whether I should call an ambulance or not? Because I think that might be a possibility where I am unable to control my daughter. So should I call ambulance again because that happened in the school? So that is bound to happen again, I guess.
Yeah, if you find it that the jerking movements, muscle jerking movements are occurring in the patient is suffering from the muscle jerking movements, then you should call the ambulance within 2 minutes.
All right. So like if she behaves strangely for 2 minutes, then I should definitely call the
Yeah,
ambulance.
yeah, you should definitely call the
All
ambulance.
right, nurse. Thank you for hearing me. I think I would be able to. And are there any other organizations that can help to, that can help me to avoid these kind of things, or maybe I can help my daughter in any way?
Yeah, there are some organizations like Epilepsy Foundation is there. You can contact. They can contact you like local telephone books or internet. You can take the information from the internet,
All right.
and they provide the information about the epilepsy, and in fact even the treatment about the epilepsy.
All right, nurse. Well, I will certainly do so, and thank you very much for providing me the information. I feel much better and relaxed. But just give me that brochure where this foundation number or any other contact is given, and I would be really thankful to you if you do so because I don't have internet at home. So if you could do that, that would be really appreciated.
So what to say?
Sure, I will do that.
Sure, I will do that. My pleasure.
All right. Okay, so you have been speaking for the second time only, and it's fine. It's really going fine. है ना आई हैव आना चाहिए था वहाँ पे तुमने कहीं गड़बड़ की थी सॉरी अब मैं भूल गया एक गलती ये थी मैं अभी देख के बता देता हूँ क्या है डोंट गेट स्केयर्ड गेट आना चाहिए था ठीक है लिसन के बाद हमेशा टू आता है लिसन टू द सिम्टम ऑफ द पेशेंट है ना और इट कैन बी क्योरेबल इट इज़ क्योरेबल या इट कैन बी क्योर्ड आइदर यूज पैसिव वॉइस विद कैन बी और से इट इज़ क्योरेबल you must be removed, you must remove, that should have been
You
an
must
active
remove.
sentence.
हाँ जी,
You
हाँ जी.
must remove है ना, या फिर object
जी.
should be removed. And yes, yes को या बोला दो
Okay,
तीन बार.
okay. हाँ जी,
So these are
sir.
small mistakes, small 6 mistakes which can easily be cleared, which can easily be rectified. So that is not a problem. Thank you.